Alright. As you can tell, it's dark. Right around 8 something. The only problem is once I get going and I have a direction, is the day has a funny way of ending itself. If you can't tell, there's a notch right here. There's a notch down there. Oh, there's a broken PVC pipe and a notch and a notch. And you can already see these 2 pieces that I did earlier. Oh, the biggest thing of what's going on right now is the game plan is to, I don't even know what it's called. There's probably a term for all you craftsmen, woodworkers, but cut a notch into the heft and then cut a notch into the piece of wood that's gonna go on the opposite side of it. Kind of like what you see here. It hasn't been screwed in place nor nailed, but it is pretty gosh darn close. So I'm gonna do that top, bottom, top, bottom, and that's kind of where I'm ending it for the night. Oh yeah, these 2 posts right here are gonna be where the door's at. Good night. I'm going to bed. I'm very tired. Work all day, and then come home and work some more and tell your neighbors probably sick of you.